During the summer months, in the northern countries of the earth, there's a phenomenon called the midnight sun, which turns the northern lands into a world of eternal light. This happens because of the Earth axis, which makes the North Pole lean towards the sun, a moment of the year where it is hard to tell the difference between day and night, a timeless spectacle that captivates the hearts of the locals every year.
Well, when we talk about the midnight sun, we have 24 hours with sunlight. That's a special happening every year.
And with my friends, I decided to head to one of the most remote places on our planet to get a taste of what living in a world of no darkness feels like.
It's definitely harder than I thought to sleep here in the mountains while the sun is up.
Here is our adventure in Norway.
What's up guys, we are currently standing on a sailboat here in Northern Norway where we're going to be exploring the country, but most importantly we're going to be experiencing the phenomenon of the midnight sun, how it affects us as humans, are we able to adapt to it. Over the next week I'm going to bring you with me and my team to discover the culture and go on crazy adventures, so I'm super stoked to have you and I'll see you guys later. That's wild.
Right guys, welcome to Norway! Woo!
Sick. That's crazy, man. Man, that's insane. Man, Norway is crazy.
In order to better understand how the midnight sun affects the locals, we headed further to the north of the country, where the region is steeped in ancient traditions.
What is up guys, we just made it to Alta, Norway right now. Look at that view behind me. It's actually 11 p.m. right now and the fact that it's still sunny outside is absolutely incredible. We just rented this beautiful place with the boys and tomorrow we're gonna go meet the Samis, which is the culture from here, and we are super stoked to hear about their perspective about the midnight sun, how it changes their way of living, and with that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Well, when we talk about the midnight sun, it's very fine time. First of all, we have 24 hours with sunlight. That's a special happening every year. We see the people from Middle Europe when they come up here. They are in 100% crazy when they can see the sun by midnight. So it's very special for the people from the other places of the earth. What's the best place to see midnight sun? I think it's the best in north of Norway. So here we have also the place where you can really see that. You have the ocean and then you have midnight sun up in the heaven. So it's very special. I have seen people crying, I have seen put their hairs up to the heavens. So it's very special for the people from the other part of the earth to come up here to get that in real.
For generations, the Samis have lived in harmony with the rhythms of the land and sky. We learn that through their eyes, the midnight sun takes on a profound significance, such as a deep connection to nature. Knowing this, the team and I headed to Lofoten Island, excited to witness the midnight sun.
Lofoten, here we come.
A place renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty and picturesque landscapes. Here, we met Tobias, a local photographer and guide that would host us for the next days ahead and show us around.
Since we're here, our sleep schedule has been all over the place. I think it's really because we're trying to get the best conditions to shoot, and obviously the best conditions right now are in the middle of the night, so that makes it a bit tricky to keep our sleep schedule that we had before. Right now we're just basically always chasing the sun, and to get the best conditions possible that means you need to shoot between 11 and 3 o'clock. So we're trying to do our best.
So guys, it is currently midnight here in Northern Norway, and as you can see behind me, it's still too cloudy. Unfortunately, it didn't work, but we're gonna stay positive. It's gonna happen. It's all in the mind, as you know. So I really hope we're gonna catch a midnight sun, and I'll see you soon.
For our last mission in Norway, we decided to head to the mountain peaks to fully immerse ourselves in nature. This was our last chance to capture the midnight sun, and hopefully the conditions would be just right for us to see it and grant us a once-in-a-lifetime point of view.
Trying to chase the sun, but never really knowing. You look like some fun. Let's see where this is
3:32 in the morning and the sun is up.
all the way. I feel my heart exploding. Down are we falling? Are we going down? Are we falling in love? Are we going down? Are we?
So guys, it is currently 8 a.m. We went to sleep at 5 a.m. and it has not been a success. I've been trying to sleep for 3 hours now, and it's definitely harder than I thought to sleep here in the mountains while the sun is up. It's just weird for your body to adapt. You're just not used to it. You're just not used to telling your body to go to sleep when there's sun outside and when there's light everywhere. I feel like it's a mental game. It's a mental challenge.
In just 1 week, my friends and I had the amazing chance to immerse ourselves in the world of eternal light. And even though we lacked sleep, we had been gifted with the sensation of having more time than ever before, where life seemed to expand, offering a precious occasion to savor each moment fully.
How beautiful is this? We're gonna have this sun all night long. Yeah, baby! Wow! That is the sun we're looking for. Absolutely amazing. We have more.
And as I now share our adventure with you, my question to you is this: what would you do if you had more time with the sun? Would you let this opportunity slip away? Or would you seize the chance to make the most out of it?